What's up, guys? All right, what is today, Tyler? It's Monday. What? Like March, I don't know, March 17th or something? 19th?
March 17th, that was St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah,
You
I know.
Green beer that night.
Hell yeah, I had green beer. All right, so it's kind of hard to actually get the color of this car with this camera just because the sun's out there. We've got it halfway in the shop, but Ponies and Smokies coming up. And we had this customer come in that we painted last year. It's Adam's car. It looks good. It's got Termy mirrors, Termy side skirts, 01 Cobra front bumper, which we went and painted black on the inside. And then he went and blacked out some emblems and got the black wheels. So, I mean, technically stock Mach 1 just with like a cat back and like JLT intake. But it's so hot. Me and Tyler love it. That'd be a hot shop car. So, I guess we'll see if we ever find one like it. But it looks good. And, we're really proud of him. He's had it for, I don't know, 9 months back or so. And we painted it last year. And it looks awesome. So he is going to Ponies and the Smokies. Not with us. I mean, we're going too. But he wanted us to fix an oil leak on it. And I wanted us to detail it. So the car looks good. We're in love with it. I mean, it for real just looks so good. We painted the brake calipers. He got matching Mach 1 center caps in it. He got black pony emblems. So that's pretty cool. The car's nice, really, really nice. So,
all right, guys. So we just got back into the shop. We made our trip up to Madison to get some door panels for Babs. This is the first look at our trailer. It's a bit dirty. She's been sitting outside every day, but we did buy it brand new. We added the winch in the front and then these D hooks so we could tie the cars down. We probably drove this thing, what, 6,000 miles already, Brent?
oh,
At least 6,000 miles. So from the factory, the clear coat kind of sucked and shit, so we're probably going to repaint that area right there. I guess it was just getting caked with rocks. So anyway, we just went to Tractor Supply, and we got some new LED lights, tail lights, and then these marker lights we're going to put right here on the flare, because when we're driving the Pennsylvania Turnpike at night, and with the construction going on, I really like to see how far this flare sticks out. So anyway, shout out to Chris. You just sent us some Mach 1 stripes from Hawaii, and you also sent some treats, so we'll open that up. And then shout out to Bros Graphics. We got our new TKO graphics in today, right before the trip. So we got...
I'll show them what's in the back of the truck.
I will, hold on. Yeah, so anyway, we'll go on to the... We got some decals for the trailer too, so we'll show you after we install those. So, Bros Graphics are awesome. We always use them, and he ships very fast, so thanks a lot. And then Chris will open that up in a minute. In the back of the truck, Brent, or in the here? All right, Brent's gonna show you what we got today.
all right. So we got some new parts for Babs, guys.
Yep, the last piece of the puzzle, we were missing the door panels. So we're gonna do a little cleaning, then put them on Babs before we head out to the car show.
Yep. And then we got some parts from Christian too. I don't know if we even showed anybody that yet, did we?
Nope, just lay them on the trailer.
Yeah.
Lots of parts today. All right, so this is what we got from Christian from Florida that he got from Matt's little Mustang Paradise is what I like to call it, because he's got palm trees all over the place and lots of cars. So thanks a lot, Christian and Matt. And then the door panels, we went to local, well, it was kind of local, 40 miles away. And Brent's new buddy, well, my new buddy too.
Jerome, yes, Jerome Perry. He's a good guy. He hooked us up on those door panels.
Yep, so thanks a lot, buddy. They look perfect. And we hooked him up. We gave him some TKO decals and a t-shirt. So thanks a lot, and you need to come by the shop, man. So, with that being said, we're going to do some maintenance on the trailer. And then we're going to go get Babs and get that going probably tomorrow. So, got the decals for us for the trip. We went and just ordered about 30 hoodies for the trip. So we're going to be selling hoodies. What's it say?
All right, Tyler, here is the Mach 1 side stripes. I hope you guys can use. Hope they're still in okay condition. I also had a couple of things from Hawaii. Hope you guys like them. So, chocolate covered macadamias.
Ah.
Yeah. Macadamia Hawaiian shortbread.
Shortbread.
Yeah.
Never heard of that. What is that, like a cookie, I guess?
Yeah.
It looks like cookie. Yeah.
Yep. Another shortbread, but that's coffee flavor.
Yep.
And then
awesome.
real Ford Mach 1 side stripes in the original boxes. So he had a Mach 1, he ended up selling it, and he said, hey guys, if you can use them, I'd send them your way, so we told him to send them our way.
Yep. So I appreciate that, Chris. You shipped them out quick, too.
Yeah.
So we're going to definitely put these to use. We might end up using them on an SN95. Who knows? We'll use them on something.
We've been wanting to do that for a while now. Put SN...
Maybe make a SN95 Mach 1 or something, because they make the shaker for them, too. So.
Yep.
All right. So thanks a lot, Chris. We're definitely going to try these. And we're going to get back on the trailer, put some of this stuff up, and then we'll check in. All right, so we got 2 days till Ponies in the Smokies. Look who stopped by, Alex. He's finally taking this Tangerine Dream home because his car stays here, so he might as well take that. But let's check out Brandon's tire on his GT.
So anyways, we got to roll the front fenders on this because he's got it so low.
All right, see you, Alex.
See you, man. So we've got to roll the fenders so that this thing doesn't rub on the outside. Well, anyways, what I'm more worried about is this right here. The whole tire is completely separating. It honestly looks like it was cut with a knife. Oh my God, Brandon, that is not good. Luckily, these are his like extra set of wheels. He's got another set of wheels that usually go on the car, so...
Yeah, but those were good tires. Like, last time it came in, they were like brand new.
Yeah, but he drove it a lot since then.
Dude, that is fucked.
Yeah, dude,
that thing's
really
going to blow out. I don't
dangerous.
even think Brandon can drive this home.
No. So anyways, we're going to have to call him and tell him to bring wheels. That's pretty bad. Today is Cobra caliper day. All right, Tyler, tell us what we're doing.
We have to get the pistons out. These are Chris Ladd's car for his 96 Mystic. We're going to paint the front and rear calipers to match his car. So we're degreasing them right now. We have to pull the pistons out. We're going to replace his boots. On his other side of the caliper, they were all torn up. So this side's good, but we're going to replace the boots anyway. So to get these pistons out, you can pull them out with the pliers, but you usually rip the boots and stuff. So we're going to use air. So you take like a hammer, you gotta do one side at a time.
Sometimes we do 2x4s, but
yeah,
hammer works too.
Then you take a microfiber towel or a paper towel, and you have to get it something like this.
So you get an air nozzle blower, hooked to our air compressor, obviously.
So this is just to seal the hole so nothing will escape. So actually, we're gonna do this. We're going to do one side at a time. One side at a time.
Oh, you want it completely out?
Come on, baby.
That's the other side going. There we go. Yep.
Well,
so with enough air pressure.
Here she goes. Or here she blows. Woo! That's an I-9 out. That's an I-9 out. When you're pulling them out with the pliers, only pull out on this lip right here. If you do it in here, this is what actually seals against the rubber boot inside. And you will definitely leak brake fluid everywhere, and you'll have to get a new piston. And Ponies in the Smokies starts tomorrow. And Indiana weather is like this. I mean, that's a good 2.5, almost 3 inches already. Are you excited to go to Ponies in the Smokies, Brent?
Oh yeah, more than excited.
So if you guys are going, let us know in the comments. This is kind of a up-to-date video, I guess.
Yep.
And I don't think Babs is going.
I don't think Babs going just because of weather. So I mean, if it was supposed to be nice all weekend, we take it. We just trailer it, but we're not going to do that. So anyway, we'll just take the 67. We won last year. We'll win again.
Hopefully.
I think that there's going to be a lot more people there.
Oh, there's going to be 2,000 more people.
Exactly.
Last year there was like 300, if that.
Yeah, there might have been 300.
I think there's going to be like 3,000.
It's gonna be big. So anyways, we're excited to come down for a weekend and have some fun and tear some stuff up.
Yep.
I'm excited to drink some beer.
So I'll show you guys these parts after we spray them, and then we'll probably end the video, and that way we can get home and get it uploaded for tonight. So we'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm showing you a couple pieces to end the video, just like I promised. I know you guys been waiting for some Mystic stuff, so here it is right here. We used Brandon's hood as a table tonight, but you can see it's Mystic. Some gold there in a second. So anyway, I made this little wood prop, me and Brent did, and if you guys been watching some of the videos, you know that I have to come up with some crazy stuff like this to be able to paint these parts. So anyway, that turned out great, Chris. And then here's the door couplets, which we got the correct coupe ones. They sent, you guys haven't seen the videos yet, but Chris actually bought coupe ones and they sent a convertible one, so we had to get a new set, and this is the new set right there. And then here are the front brake calipers, Mystic. We're going to do silver Cobra lettering after they dry. It's just so hard to capture all the colors. I can't really get the gold. We can get a lot of purple and green, but you can't really get the blue or the gold. It doesn't have a lot of blue, but in some lights it kind of looks blue. It's nothing like Mistachrome, but anyway, you know, the brake calipers. Well, y'all see the other videos where we reinstalled the pistons and everything, and the new boots, and put the caliper bracket on and stuff like that. So anyway, you guys saw the snow outside. And a lot of you all are on Facebook and already down at Pits. So Brent and I are still coming. Unfortunately, I don't think we're going to take Babs, because that thing's never seen any rain or anything. And if we go down there and get all salt and stuff underneath, you guys, if you guys have been following the channel for a long time and you've seen us build Babs, you know the underneath is totally spotless. Every nut and bolt is new, and we really don't want to get it all nasty underneath. But I think we may bring the fastback if the snow around here melts. You know, it's an older car, the brakes aren't as good as a newer car, and it's heavy as hell, and it's just not a good car to drive in the snow. Yet even if it was raining real hard, it kind of sucks. So I don't know, if all fails, we're definitely coming. We'll just bring like the V6 Mustang or something, just hang out with you guys. But I know if we don't bring the cars, I know it's going to be nice as hell down there. I'm going to just be pissed as fuck. So, I don't know. We're definitely coming. We're still going to bring some hoodies and stuff for you guys if you guys want to buy any. And we'll definitely have all the decals and stuff like that. But it's just the weather, man. I mean, last year it was 1 week later than it is in the year. I mean, today's the first day of spring, and what do you know? We got 5 inches of snow already, and it's saying about 8 inches tonight that we could get. So anyway, I don't know. So I'm going to end the video here. I just want to show you all this, and we're just uploading this to let you all know that we're going down there, and hopefully we can meet some of you guys. So subscribe, and you know, look out for our cars, or look out for our hoodies that we're wearing, and come up and say hello. So we'll talk to you guys soon. See ya.